Hey Luna, are you there?
Yes, Danny.
Do we still have some bread? I'd love a sandwich for lunch.
I'm afraid we don't. You used it all last night, as usual. God only knows how much you love bread.
Haha, you're funny.
And you're Italian.
Wow, okay, come on. I'd love to make some. Can you pull up an easy recipe? Maybe something with olives?
I'm pulling up easy olive bread. I'll load the ingredients here for you.
Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.